Hello my dear retail friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Rivoli Retail Tech. Friends, in this session you will be able to understand how can you increase your retail store sale with the help of cross-selling and upselling. Friends, before starting this session, I would like to request you to watch this video till end so that you will be able to better understand the whole concept of upselling and cross-selling. So without any further delay, let's start. Dear friends, there are two ways by which we can grow our business. Number one is sell more products, or the second one is get more customers. Do you think that getting more customers in the store is possible for us as a storekeeper? No. So today we're gonna learn how to sell more to our customers. We as an organized retailer call it upselling and cross-selling. By cross-selling, we sell customers a related or connected products. For an example, if a customer is coming to your store to buy a shirt, you can always suggest a tie along with it. Or a customer is coming to purchase a trouser from you, you can always suggest a belt. If a customer is coming to a mobile store, what he can purchase along with the mobile? Think. So you should always get a best paired product along with the main product. So the customer who is purchasing a mobile can purchase a screen guard, isn't it? Or a mobile cover. Yes, so this is cross-selling if you are selling a connected product along with the main product to a customer. One thing I would like you to remember always that the price of the second product which you are suggesting to our customer should always be lesser than the price of the first product, the main product. पहला जो प्रोडक्ट जो कस्टमर मेन लेने आया है उससे जो आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हो प्रोडक्ट उसका प्राइस हमेशा कम होना चाहिए. सपोज इफ़ यू आर सेलिंग 1000 रुपीज़ शर्ट, तो टाई अगर आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हो तो द प्राइस ऑफ दैट टाई शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 3, 4 और 500. अगर आपने उस कस्टमर को टाई दिखाया जिसका प्राइस उस शर्ट से भी ज़्यादा है, 1000 रुपीज़ की शर्ट है और आप टाई दिखा रहे हैं 1500 की, दैट देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यू विल लूज़ योर सेल. कस्टमर सोचेगा कि बंदा चेप रहा है मुझको. नो. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट वे टू सजेस्ट और टू अप्लाई दिस क्रॉस सेलिंग. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्रॉस सेलिंग. क्रॉस सेलिंग एक बार मैं फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. कनेक्टेड और रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट जब आप सजेस्ट करते हैं किसी कस्टमर को अलॉन्ग विद द मेन प्रोडक्ट, उसको क्रॉस सेलिंग बोलेंगे. क्रॉस सेलिंग में जो प्रोडक्ट आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसका प्राइस हमेशा कम होना चाहिए मेन प्रोडक्ट से. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्रॉस सेलिंग नाउ. सो विल नाउ स्टार्ट द सेकेंड टॉपिक. In cross-selling, we were suggesting a customer the best connected second product, and by this way you are increasing your average transaction value and UPT, which is unit per transaction, and as a result your sale. Here in upselling, we should show the customer a higher price product with the help of FAB. What is this FAB? FAB, features, advantages and benefits. So if a customer is coming to your store to buy a 1000 rupees shirt, white shirt, first of all you just need to show the customer the same product which he is liking, but at the same time you can always suggest a better product in a price range of 12 or 1300. But at the same time, if a customer asking why should I purchase the expensive product, both the shirts are white and I need a white shirt only, so at this time you need to tell the customer the features, advantages and benefits of the product which you are suggesting. Maybe the white shirt which customer is buying is not 100% cotton, and the product which you are suggesting to a customer that is 100% cotton or even mercerized cotton, or maybe the product which you are suggesting is wrinkle free. So customer will think twice, or maybe he will take the product which you are suggesting. He may be convinced. So by this way, by upselling, you can increase your bill value or ATV, that is average transaction value. We can take another example. If a customer is coming to your store and buy a television of 24 inches, you can always suggest 32 inches TV. but a customer is coming to purchase a 24 inches, you cannot suggest a customer to buy a 56 inches TV. That will definitely be out of budget. Or a customer, if he is buying a 10,000 rupees mobile phone, you cannot suggest a customer an iPhone. So I hope you understood the basic concept of cross-selling and upselling. Friends, I hope you understand this topic. If not, you can always comment me. I will be more than happy to answer you. Dear friends, I would also like to request you to hit the like button if you really like this video, and also share this video to someone who really requires it. So dear friends, thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.